everybody, Kathy Gleason here. We're working on our first step in preparing cheddar broccoli risotto. I'm so excited. So let me get started. This is our Pampered Chef quick cooker. If you've got an Instant Pot, it's very similar to that. It's an electric pressure cooker. There are a ton of things that you can do with it. I'll try and post some of my favorite recipe ideas in the comments. What I've done today is I have got some boneless, skinless chicken breast that I have seared in my quick cooker. And how I did that was I poured some garlic infused canola oil in the bottom and let that heat up. I then added some of our herb and onion slow cooker seasoning, because it's not just for slow cookers. And then I proceeded to brown each side. When I'm at my parties, which is kind of what I'm basing this off of, I like to make sure that my chicken is cooked so nobody gets salmonella. So that's all cooked and ready to go, but we don't exactly want those big giant pieces of chicken in our meal. So I'm going to take my salad chopper, double bladed scissors, and I'm going to cut these up into smaller bite-sized pieces. If you've never used these salad choppers, well, this is great because you can see right down in there. We use them on chicken, pork, turkey, all kinds of things like that. And I guess since they're called salad choppers, you can use them on salad too. Some kind of new concept there. Mostly we use them on chicken, but we probably do use these at least a couple times a week. So let's see here. This is kind of the fastest two-handed method. If you've seen these in action or you have them, make a comment in the comment section. Let me open those up. And there you go, chopped chicken. Super. We're going to set that back in. We're going to turn this back on to sear so that it starts heating while I'm talking about the rest of the steps. Got some chicken broth we're going to add. This is a fabulous recipe. We're also going to add, let me set that here, some risotto, okay? Not all rice is made the same. I don't know if you can really see that, but the risotto is actually a flatter, probably wider rice. The great thing about it is that after it cooks, it gets creamier as you stir it. That's called risotto. Broccoli, we've got some broccoli cut into pieces. We're going to add those. We're going to add a cap of the Italian seasoning. You could also use basil if you had it. Our sweet basil rub is fabulous. And let's see, we've got that. Oh, and garlic. We're going to press in some fresh garlic. Now, do you need to peel the garlic first? No, you don't. So we're just going to squeeze that in there so it squeezes all the garlic out and just leaves the skin behind. Super easy to peel. These are large, so I'm only going to do a couple. And do that one. Wipe it off. Somewhere in my tool vortex, there's a cleaning tool that goes with this. We'll take this out. There you go, cleans easy. There's a Barbie brush for the cleaning. And let's make sure we've got all of our steps. Okay, so that was step one. Chicken broth, Italian seasoning, rice, garlic, broccoli. Stay tuned for our next set of steps. Thanks.